As you see, we connected our microcontroller via an USB cable. Now I will show you what to install to be able to use your microcontroller to be able to code it. Firstly, if it is your first connection, your computer is not gonna recognize your microcontroller. For this, you need a driver for your MSP 430 family. I will share this link directly. You can click below this video and you can go this page. In this page, go below and you will see different versions. For Windows version, I am using Windows. Click this and you will see a file, zip file. From there will be an application, setup application, and set up this driver. After you set up, disconnect your USB cable and connect it again. This time your computer will recognize your microcontroller. Also, you can correct it. To check it, you can go to devices and printers from Windows and you can see there it will write your microcontroller family. After you make these operations, your computer will recognize and it is over. Now you need a platform to code your microcontroller, and Texas Instruments are using generally Code Composer Studio. Again, for this I will share a link directly. You can click this link and you can come this page, go below. You will see different versions of this Code Composer Studio. Some of them are not supported by 32-bit. Some of them are supported. For this, you need to check. For example, the last versions are not supported by 32-bit. Only you can use this with 64-bit. After you check them, you can download one of them. It doesn't matter. All of them are same. The same idea for coding. Now, click here Windows if you are using Windows. After you click and download it, you will encounter with a file like that in zip. If you want, you can remove from here and you can click here. Look at here, there is a CCS Setup application. After you run it, you need to follow some instructions to install this platform to your computer. After you finish it, there will be an application like that called Composer Studio. You need to click here to start programming. It will ask you a place to store your works, to store your codes. It doesn't matter, you can choose wherever you want. After you choose, click the launch and wait. Right now the program will open. And after you see program opened, you need to wait. There will be a page here, new project, but it doesn't matter. Directly we can open a file from here. File, click the file. CCS project, click this, and there will be a page here which are asking you options. Firstly, it wants you to choose your target family. Our family is this 5 family and our device is 5529. Here you choose the information about your microcontroller. Here you need to write your project name. I will write our first project. You can write whatever you want. And before you finish the options, you need to choose from here assembly only project, because as I said, I will teach you writing your codes with assembly language. For this, click here and finish. After you finish, the program will open you a new project, a new page, and on that page you can write your codes. The main loop here, I will write my codes here between these two lines. you can write whatever you want, and after you run your code, you can see the effects of this code on your microcontroller. And also we will make some experiments to see that in real world. I will show you in the labs and some projects in the coming videos. In this video only I wanted to show you how to install required programs to code a MSP 430 family microcontroller. After you install them, you can start coding. We will start coding in the next video. This video is over. See you in the next videos.